North Bus Terminal. The bus to Santa Fe or Bantayan Island, I think it's 180 pesos. I think it should be a 2 or 3 hour ride. Bus from Cebu drops you off right at the port here. It's like literally the end of the line. Just waiting for the ferry. Bantayan, 180 pesos plus 10 pesos for the boat ticket to Bantayan. And it took about, oh, it was a big rat, man. It took about 3.5 hours to get here from Cebu. This thing's a real trawler. Had to wait about 30 minutes at the port for it to show up. I don't know how long I'm gonna have to wait for it to take off. So we'll see. Boat pulled into Bantayan. It's like all beach here. Well, I can see. Cha-ching. Ah, nice touch of civilization as you arrive in Bantayan across from the Santa Fe Port Terminal. It's a little loud, but hey, it's iced coffee. And you can smoke here. When you get a spot that makes their iced coffee with coffee ice cubes, you know that they are the real deal. So this is the public beach, and this is the Airbnb condo. So I'm pretty happy about that. Also a porch. This is the Airbnb. I usually go Airbnb because I like having a fridge and a kitchen. There's 2 rooms here. I only use one. Man, you gotta watch your step on the beach here. Looks like it's a salt flat beach or a tidal flat beach. You can see the little sandbar out here. It's probably just because it's low tide. Sunset on the other side of the island, but might be nice from here. First spot I found here on a strip cocoa bar. It's pretty nice. As I recline here at this chill restaurant, feel the nice breeze here on Bantayan Island. She brought the bill and I'm like amazed. 205 pesos for the green curry vegetable and tenique dish and 65 pesos for the cerveza negra. So 270 pesos, not even $6 for dinner. It's and it was delicious and fresh and sweet. Bantayan has this little area, lots of resto bars, lots of Mexican restaurants, fruit drinks, freezy drinks, Greek food. It's a lot of cool options and I'm pretty psyched about it. Koda Beach, Santa Fe, Bantayan Island. The water is just emerald, aquamarine, amazing. Even so, buko juice and refreshments here. Koda Beach is really spectacular. It's just windy, it's hot, it's sunny, it's emerald aquamarine beauty. This place is amazing. Along the beach here, lots of little resorts, little beach huts, tidal areas, amazing sea. I came back down to this Koda Beach to fly the drone at sunset, but the sun doesn't set on this beach, and this time of day it's actually really crowded. It might not look like it, but compared to this morning it is. I rented this bike from the Airbnb owner, 300 pesos a day. It's a pretty good deal. Just sitting out here, getting ready to go over to the Ogtong Cave and enjoying the breeze. It's so windy here and extremely hot under that sun. Ogtong Beach Resort has a little restaurant here. It's reasonably priced, some good options on the menu, some vegetarian stuff, and fruit shakes, which is always an awesome plus. It's the not so mysterious Ogtong Cave. here at the Ogtong Beach Resort. One of the oldest churches in the Philippines is here on Bantayan, established 1580. So it's getting up there. Churches, organized religion, controversy, contradictions, all kinds of, perspectives regarding it. But this image behind me is very interesting to find here. I believe it is the image from the Shroud of Turin, and it is entitled Self-Portrait of Jesus, which is, again, kind of interesting. So here in Bantayan proper, the town of Bantayan, there's really not too much to see, unless you got a thing for like old churches, although there is a good bakery or two here. I'm trying to find this Paradise Beach Resort, man. It is like in the middle of nowhere back here. So Paradise Beach isn't really a resort, it's a campground. If I'd have known, I'd have brought my tent. But it is really sunny and bright here today. There's almost no shade, there's only a couple little huts. But there's a really nice swimming area. So 50 peso entrance fee, not bad. 50 peso entrance fee. They got a couple of refreshments. This is the Sandira Beach, which is accessible from the Paradise Beach camping site. Can you see this? Coral in the limestone. Paradise here. It's the Sandira Beach near the Paradise Beach, which is more like a camping spot. Ooh, the water is cool. Cool and refreshing after that incredibly hot sun. Oh my goodness. This is why Bantayan Island is paradise. The beach is like powdery sand. I love this place. It's even better than Boracay, although you can't walk around a lot. You kind of need a motorcycle to get anywhere. I was able to rent a motorcycle for 300 pesos a day, and I've just been exploring the island. It's pretty amazing. The sand is like powder here. Beautiful here, really windy. The camping spot, Paradise Beach. Lots of this karst rock formation stuff that we used to call iron shore back in the West Indies. It's dangerous, gotta watch your step. It's kind of a cool looking flower. I've never seen anything like that.
All in all, 5 days in Bantayan Island cost me about 8,000 pesos, just under $200 US. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more. It's Manila, baby.